Pixelverse, okay, and how to get the daily combo. Alright, so right now you're gonna navigate to this play. This is the daily check-in, okay, the daily reward and the daily combo, as you can see here, daily reward and daily combo. Alright, so this is the task we'll be doing today, but I've already done the daily reward, okay, so I didn't video that. As you can see, the time here is counting, right, and the time here isn't counting, so we're gonna do this one right now. So with that being said, let's go in. So right now I'm gonna tap on this, okay, then I'm gonna be choosing which one, okay, this. I'm gonna put it here. As you can see right now, let me show you guys on how this is done. Okay, you have to click and hold this, okay. When you click and hold it, you now drag it to this place, okay. So the number one is this one I just did, right? So I'm gonna do the number two right now. So you're gonna go and say this is gonna be, okay, let me confirm this. Okay, sorry, okay, it's gonna be this one here, okay, as you can see. Then the next one is gonna be next one's gonna be the green man, yeah, okay. You know, sometimes the side is not working that clear like that. I'm gonna put this one here, and I'm gonna put this one here. The green one is not working, so you're just gonna have to bear with me, alright? So let me just pause this video and make it work. So as you can see here, I've completed the daily task, okay. So right now I'm just gonna click on this check right here. I'm just gonna click on this check to see if I got it right, okay. I'm gonna click on check. Alright, as you can see, mine is not that big enough, so my reward is about 432,000, okay, of this Pixeltap. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on claim, okay, which is the one you're seeing right here, okay. I'm gonna tap on that, and boom, as you can see, the time wasn't counting. Right now the time is counting, so we have 1 hour left, 1 hour 21 minutes to do this combo again, right? And this one also 1 hour 21 minutes. Alright, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel here. I'll be talking more of this Pixeltap by Pixelverse, okay. So this is just the daily combo I just decided to show you guys, so stay tuned and watch more of my videos, okay, and thank you for subscribing.